Hello viewers, and welcome back to the Grass and Graves channel. Today we're out at the Natchez City Cemetery and we're going to be cleaning a marker for the Anderson family. Now I've already pre-treated this marker with Endurance Restoration Products Headstone Cleaner off camera and did a little grass trimming up front. So they're about ready to scrub. Now if you're new to the channel or you have no idea what headstone cleaning is all about, there's several products on the market for cleaning headstones. There's D2 biological solution. There's the Endurance Restoration products that I've been using. And what those are, they're quaternary ammonia compounds. And in a nutshell, they're biocides or algicides. And they kill the organic growth in the pores of the stone. Now I pre-treat these to loosen what's on the surface. And we're going to scrub them and we're going to rinse them. But then I'm going to do another application with the headstone cleaner, and that will clean them up over time. It kills the organic growth in the pores of the stone, and heavy rain showers and wind finish cleaning them up over time. They may take 3 or 4 weeks. They may take 3 or 4 months. It just depends. Excuse me. It just depends on, the weather that we have. So these are ready to scrub. So we're going to get this taken care of. I'm going to start off with a soft brush and hit these polished surfaces. Now, it is October. Happy October, everybody. One of my favorite months of the year. That's why I brought the pumpkin decorations. I will be celebrating Halloween all month long. Just waiting for the weather to get here. It's a little breezy today. Hopefully my mic's not making too much noise. I didn't bring my little wind muff. Pre-treating these markers with the headstone cleaner helps loosen up the biological growth that's on the surface of the marker. And as I mentioned, the final application is what's going to leach into the pores of the stone and kill any biological growth that's in the stone, so that it can be rinsed away by Mother Nature. Right, now I'll get a little bit stiffer brush for these etched surfaces. This monument is deeper in the ground on that end. I did remove some of the grass that was in front of it that had grown over the surface of the base here. And when you see this monument cleaner with that orange tint to it, that's the product doing its job. Now, if you're scrubbing these markers, you don't have to scrub hard. Let the bristles do the work. Just glide it over the surface. You're not going to get it 100% at this point. All you want to do is get the heavy stuff off the surface. That's all we're concerned about. Let's go ahead and give that a rinse before it starts drying on the surface. See all that brown nastiness rolling off that stone. Another pro tip, if you want to stay clean, brush away from you. Make sure we get all that cabbage off there, the lichen. She's just dirty in spots. She's not too terribly nasty. Now, you want to know what's in my bucket? It's just water and Orvis paste, which is, Orvis paste is just a gentle soap. Okay, I believe that's clean enough. We could do a rinse and then we'll apply our final application of Endurance Headstone Cleaner. We'll let Mother Nature finish the job. spot right here. All right. Let me get my blower out of the truck and we'll dry that off just a little bit so we don't dilute our headstone cleaner. Stand by. Okay, guys and gals, watch your ears. All right, I just like to dry that off a little bit so that my headstone cleaner's not too diluted by the time I spray it. A little bit's not going to hurt. The breeze is picking up. Feels good. Sure, it don't help my audio though. I do apologize. All right. Now this was taped down, but since the stone's wet now, I don't believe the tape's going to hold. Let me find something to wedge in there. Stand by. All right. Now when this stone dries, I will come out here and retape it. But for now, all I'm worried about is taking up the room so I can wedge it down in there tight. just don't want it to blow away before I do that. All right, I should hold it just fine. Okay, that concludes the cleaning of this marker. I appreciate you watching. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, share. I would appreciate it. If you're interested in supporting the channel for the free headstone cleanings that I do out here, look in the description for my GoFundMe link. I'd appreciate any help you can give, excuse me. And we'll see you on the next video.